Hello and welcome to our channel Maths Tactics. Today we are going to learn long division but with multi-digit divisors. Before we start, let's recall basic division and the difference between basic and long division. Basic division is simple and easy to understand as it is solved in one step only. And for long division, we used more than one steps and solved them digit by digit. If you haven't watched our videos for basic and long division, please watch it first for better concept and understanding. Let's say we have a problem 459 divided by 27.
Oh, we are stuck here. We haven't learned the table of 27. How would we solve this?
Don't worry, I have an idea. You may not know the table of 27, but you definitely can multiply 27 with any number using multi-digit multiplication method. Here we cannot divide the number 459 by 27 at once.
Then what are we going to do?
You remember that when doing long division, we worked digit by digit. Here we have a two-digit divisor. So we will start from first two digits from dividend. First, we will divide 45 by 27. As we don't know the table of 27, we will multiply it with some numbers one by one until we reach the number that could give us an answer which is 45 or nearest to it. Let's try 2 and multiply it with 27. Hold on. You don't have to do all this working where you are doing your actual problem, as this is not the actual solution. Instead, take a rough paper or make a rough column on your page like this, where you can do all these calculations to keep a record instead of doing it in your mind and messing it up. Now, 27 multiplied by 2 is equals to 54. It's too big from 45. So, we will go with 1 and 27 multiplied by 1 is equals to 27. 45 minus 27 is equals to 18. Now we can bring 9 down from the dividend to the remainder and it will become 189. Let's try multiplying 27 with 5. So, 27 multiplied by 5 is equals to 135. It is still too far from 189. It means we need to multiply 27 with a bigger number to get 189. As we already know the answer to 27 multiplied by 5 is equals to 135. So, we will keep on trying with the next numbers unless we land to 189 or somewhere near it. Let's multiply 27 by 6. 27 multiplied by 6 is equals to 162. 27 multiplied by 7 is equals to 189. Yay! Finally, we have reached our destination. So, 27 multiplied by 7 is equals to 189 and 189 minus 189 leaves no remainder. So, here is how these kinds of questions are solved. Before we leave, let's see one more case where the solution may be a bit different and you need to pay some more attention while solving the question. 693 divided by 77. Here we can see that the first two digits of the dividend are smaller than the divisor. What do you suggest? How should we solve them?
By working for the whole 693, I guess.
Yes, right. Here is your chocolate. Let's start working. How many 77s would make 693? Let's try multiplying 77 with let's say 6. 77 multiplied by 6 is equals to 462. 77 multiplied by 7 is equals to 539. 77 multiplied by 8 is equals to 616. This seems the number nearest to 693. Let's see if it works. 693 minus 616 is equals to 77. Oh, we were just a number behind. It means we can still make one more group of 77. 77 multiplied by 9 is equals to 693. Here's the answer. Woohoo! We have made it.
But I have a question. When we started, you said that the questions which are solved in 1 steps are basic division. So, is this also a basic division?
Wow, a good question. It may look like a basic division problem, but if we look at its solution only, since we have done a lot of rough work where we were multiplying the divisor with different numbers in order to find out the solution, this is not the basic division. Now it's your turn to do some practice. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.